Black seed oil benefits unlock the secret to health and wellness. Imagine unlocking a secret so powerful it has been revered for over 2,000 years, known as the cure for everything except death. Are you ready to uncover the ancient miracle oil that has transformed lives? Today, we're diving into the extraordinary world of black seed oil. Stay tuned, because this could change your life. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Section 1. What is black seed oil? 1. Definition and history. Black seed oil is extracted from the seeds of Nigella sativa, a plant native to Asia and the Middle East. It's often referred to as the ancient miracle oil because it was used in ancient Egyptian and Middle Eastern medicine. Cleopatra reportedly used it for beauty, and Hippocrates praised its healing properties. The seeds are also known as galanji, black cumin, or black caraway. 2. Why it's called the ancient miracle oil. This oil has been described in ancient texts as a remedy for a wide range of health issues. Even the Prophet Muhammad is said to have called it a cure for every disease except death. Section 2. How to extract black seed oil. 1. Materials needed. Black seeds, Nigella sativa. A cold-press oil extraction machine, available online for as low as $100. Clean, airtight glass bottles for storage. 2. Steps to extract the oil. Step 1. Clean the seeds by removing any dirt or debris. Step 2. Roast the seeds lightly on low heat to enhance the flavor, optional but recommended. Step 3. Feed the seeds into the cold press machine to extract the oil. This method preserves the nutrients. Step 4. Filter the oil using a fine mesh or cheesecloth to remove impurities. Step 5. Store the oil in dark, airtight bottles to protect it from light and oxidation. 3. Pro tip: if you don't have a machine, you can grind the seeds and mix them with a carrier oil like olive oil, then strain the mixture after letting it sit for 2 weeks. Section 3. Uses of black seed oil. 1. Topical uses. Apply it to the skin to treat acne, eczema, and psoriasis. Massage into the scalp to promote hair growth and combat dandruff. Use it as a natural moisturizer or anti-aging serum. 2. Internal uses. Add a few drops to herbal teas or smoothies for immune support. Take 1 teaspoon daily to improve digestion and reduce inflammation. 3. Household uses. Mix it with honey as a natural cough remedy. Use it in DIY skincare or hair care products. Section 4. Health benefits of black seed oil. 1. Boosts immunity. Black seed oil contains thymoquinone, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that strengthen the immune system. 2. Supports digestive health. Helps relieve bloating, gas, and constipation. Improves gut microbiota balance. 3. Promotes heart health. Reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and improves good cholesterol, HDL. Lowers blood pressure naturally. 4. Aids in weight loss. Enhances metabolism and helps regulate appetite. 5. Benefits for skin and hair. Reduces acne scars and promotes collagen production. Strengthens hair follicles, reducing hair loss. 6. Relieves pain. Effective for joint pain, arthritis, and muscle soreness. 7. Regulates blood sugar. Helps manage type 2 diabetes by stabilizing blood sugar levels. Section 5. How to start a black seed oil business at home. Step 1. Research and planning. Study the market demand for black seed oil in your area or online. Analyze competitors and price points. Step 2. Source quality seeds. Partner with reliable suppliers or buy seeds in bulk from trusted organic farms. Step 3. Invest in equipment. Purchase a cold press oil extraction machine. Get proper storage containers and labeling materials. Step 4. Packaging and branding. Design eye-catching labels that highlight the benefits of black seed oil. Use eco-friendly packaging to appeal to health-conscious customers. Step 5. Start production. Extract the oil in small batches to ensure quality. Test your product to guarantee it meets safety standards. Step 6. Marketing strategies. Create a website and social media profiles. Share educational content like benefits, DIY recipes, and testimonials. Partner with wellness influencers to promote your product. Step 7. Selling your product. Sell on platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website. Approach local health stores and spas to stock your oil. Section 6. Marketing your business. 1. Digital marketing. Run Facebook and Instagram ads targeting health enthusiasts. Create a YouTube channel or blog to share black seed oil recipes and success stories. 2. Offline marketing. Attend health fairs and farmers markets to showcase your product. Offer free samples and discounts for first-time buyers. 3. Word of mouth. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and refer friends. 4. Customer engagement. Offer free ebooks or guides on how to use black seed oil. Build a loyal community through email newsletters. To recap, black seed oil is an ancient miracle remedy with incredible health benefits, from boosting immunity to promoting heart health, skin care, and more. It's also an amazing opportunity to start a profitable business from home. Take the first step today towards better health and financial independence. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Prince Sam Official, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from this amazing information. Prince Sam Official loves you all. See you in the next video.